Hello, today we're doing a fuel pump on this brand new STI. Let's begin. What? For what? Step 1. Remove fuel pump access cover. Oh yes, look at that. Now we just put this aside here like that. Okay, we have found a foreign object. Looks like a piece of a tree at some point. Luckily, this gentleman had a very full tank of gas. Oh, just missed it. Please bring a quarter tank or less. We can fill it up for you. So now you just hold it right here a little bit so it can drain, or try to, even though it is very, very, very full. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, it is so full. It is like pasta. You must hold it over the strainer, but you still want some pasta water for a good sauce. Yes. Yes. So just, you know, do the little wipey. Are you clean? I don't know. Let us see. Oh yes. Okay. Traditionally, you put about 87 flathead screwdrivers in this thing to get it off. Right now, I don't know where any of my pocket screwdrivers are. On the wrong side of the shop. Cheat code. Cheat code. Please do not do this at home. That way you can still pay me and I can be employed. You know. 1, 2, y 3, y 4. Oh, look at that. It's very stupid from the O-rings that are sealing it in place. Oh, there it goes! Look, 5,000 miles. What is going on? What? Subaru? What you doing? Metal in gas tank, not good. Okay, you see this shit? Look at this. You ready for this? Oh no, I can't get it off. What do I do? Oh, hey, there it is! I found it, you naughty guys! See, it's important to not lose this, which is what I'm about to do because I'm putting it in the open. But luckily it dropped right there. Today, we have avoided a disaster. Taking off some clothes. I'm getting a little hot because, you know, there's a lot of fuel around here. Used to blow your car up, now it doesn't. Look, most people make the mistake of doing exactly what I did, but it was a setup. You must remember the spacers that's on the OEM fuel pump. Otherwise you don't have a fuel pressure. Fuel pressure no good. You come to tune, you say, oh yes, I did everything myself, it is so good. Nothing can be wrong. Oh wait, look. Oh, look at this fuel pump. It is the spacer we need. You go simple like this. Oh. It come off like so. Oh, there it is. Yes. This solves all problems. You put spacer on first. You take off the red cap. Spacer. Bloop. Very good. Okay, here we go. So filter, yes, clean, nice. Goes on like so. Beautiful, yes, beautiful. Okay, wonderful. Now we must be very careful. Be quiet, it will hear you. Yes, be quiet. Now you take this and you make sure it is even all the way. Oh no. Oh, gnocchi. We turn it. Oh, Jesus. Yes, magnificent. Yes, you see, many of you thought I didn't know how to work on cars, and you are correct. I do not. This is somebody else. It is not me. I am just the lot attendant. I am great at moving cars, okay? Okay. Yes, you see, I put this shit on there, but you put it over and it goes loop-de-loop-de-loop. Shoop. You see, some people put it in like this. That is wrong. Don't do that. Brother! Everything clip, it go nice, Don't forget to plug the fuel level sensor in. Oh, no, there it is. What is the last step, you might say? It is to install the gasket. Thank you, brother. Okay, very good. Okay, so we must. Oh yes. So careful. Normally you don't have to fight the pressure of fuel because the tank's not full, but since this is, we have to fight the pressure of fuel. We get the retainer. Yes, retainer. This goes over here like this. Very beautiful. Okay, you see that? That was crazy, you know? That was like crazy, bro. Okay, you see? When it's too easy, probably shouldn't do it. Because you actually have to pull the gasket up and seat it into this metal retainer via some tiny tabs that you can barely see because you're a viewer at home, and lucky for you, you're not doing this. So I am happy for you. However, I love doing this, so I'm happy for me too. Okay, so they are seated. So now we go down like so, and it is a beautiful thing. Like the world is beautiful if you close your eyes. Best way to get rid of the excess fuel is to traditionally just, but today we're going to use shop rags. Put this down, don't use this. Don't use it. Plug this in, but we can't put it on because we have to see if it leaks and make sure that it has the right amount of fuel pressure when we key on. So we're gonna leave that for now.